vlog off. It's gonna be just a day in the life of a family stuck at home, just like all of you. I have some cleanup to do around the house. I don't know about you, but no matter how much I clean, I feel like I turn around and 2 minutes later, the house is a mess again. So I'm gonna try and get on top of that. Also, it was little Ava's 3rd birthday over the weekend, so we have some decorations to clean up. I did like a little homemade Mickey Mouse birthday. I did a homemade garland as well. I don't know if you can see that there. Homemade Mickey Mouse garland. So let's clean up a little bit and keep ourselves busy, and who knows what else we'll get up to. There's nothing more I hate in the world than folding, well maybe putting away laundry and then putting away groceries. Top 3 things I hate, but put on some music, get your groove on, let's get going. All right, so next I am going to broom and mop my house, but I wanted to show you guys, I got this really cool new all-in-one system, and it's by Hoover. Look, so it's called the Hoover PowerShot, or One Power, sorry, cordless, all-in-one, and it is a vacuum slash broom, and it mops as well at the same time. So you can put water in the canister in the back here, and obviously it sucks everything up there, and it does a really good job. I have a dog, a very big dog. His name is Buster Brown, and let me show you. Bubba, come here, baby, come here. Here's Buster. Buster, say hi. Buster, say hi. So he's a big boy, and he has a lot of hair. He has like one of those thick double coats. So right now he's losing a lot of hair, aren't you, baby? Yeah. Say hi, say hello. So I always have to keep on top of Buster's hair, which is a lot. And sometimes I find that brooming doesn't do a good enough job. So this Hoover really does a good job. So here we go, let's go. Oh God, this is so boring. I'm sorry guys. Hopefully I'll figure out some more exciting things to do. Do you want a bobo today? Do you want a pink bobo? Mm-hmm. Ready? Say cheese. Look in the camera. Cheese. Cool. See you in a bit. Cheese.
Ava, what do you think about that?
You excited? It's lunchtime, so for Ava, what are you having for lunch?
I have some Mickey Mouse.
You have a Mickey Mouse sandwich and a cheese string? Sometimes you just gotta go back to basics, so I just did peanut butter and jam sandwich, where she calls it peanut butter jubbies. Later now, and it's supper time, so I'm gonna make shepherd's pie. It's cold and rainy, strange rainy today, and I have leftover mashed potatoes from Easter dinner. I did a big roast chicken dinner, so I'm gonna use up the mashed potatoes and the gravy and make a shepherd's pie for supper. Something warm, cozy, comfort food, you know, pack on that quarantine 25. All right, I'm starting my shepherd's pie now, and what I've done is I'm just going to brown some onions in a frying pan, and I'm using this M&M frozen diced onion mix. It is a lifesaver, and I recommend you all to go now. Order this online, it'll save you. After I brown up my onions, I'm gonna pop in some ground beef and brown that up. And then I'm gonna add in some frozen peas and carrots and corn. And then usually I would make this from scratch. I have a really good recipe that my mom gave me. But for today, to save some time, I'm using this Clubhouse Shepherd's Pie seasoning pack. It is really tasty, and you know what? It's a trick when you're in a pinch for time. From there, I'm gonna top it off with my leftover mashed potatoes that I did from Easter dinner. I'm gonna add some cheddar cheese to it, pop it in the oven for about half an hour, and then there you go. We got dinner. All right, so here is my shepherd's pie. I've topped it with mashed potatoes, and then my mom always taught me to drag my fork across the mashed potatoes. It just creates nice little crispy edges on top of the shepherd's pie. I love the crispy bit. I love crispy bits on everything. I love end pieces of lasagna, crispy crust. Then, as a nice little treat, I just take some paprika and I shake paprika all over the top just to give it some extra seasoning. My husband always says that everything always needs a little bit more seasoning, more taste for him, so I always try and ramp up the flavor for him. All right, well, I'm gonna pop that in the oven at 400 degrees for about half an hour, and then we're gonna have a nice homemade comfort shepherd's pie. All right, so here is the finished product bubbling away. It smells so good in here. I cannot wait to dive in. I'm gonna dish out some supper for the fam. Ava's gonna try the shepherd's pie, and Daddy's gonna feed her because it's still a little bit hot. Let's see what the verdict is. Shepherd's pie is usually a winner for her. Ready?
Try.
And yummy?
Tasty?
Is it delicious?
Eat, Dad.
Okay.
Eat, Dad. Okay.
Eat, Mom.
Thank you, I will. Okay, we're gonna have supper. All right, it is the end of the vlog, and it's time for this little madam to head to bed. We've had a really busy day, haven't we? Have we had a fun day? Okay, now she wants to read us a book, so we're gonna read Bear Hunt. Ready? We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, grass, long wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Swishy swashy, swishy swashy. Okay guys, good night. Mwah. Say night night.
Good night.
See you later.